Here with Ray tonight, and we're looking at doing the we're going to do some night flying with our daylight waiver. We're going to use the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual with the strobe, and we're going to show everybody what this thing can do with our helipad, what it looks like when we get it up there flying at I don't know, about 100 feet or so. So the setup we got is just the Mavic 2 Dual, Enterprise Dual. We're gonna pull out the strobe light. I'm gonna go stick it over here on our drone. And what you do here is you take it off this little clamp here. You know, pull that off and shoot it into the, don't do that. But, you know, try not to shoot this thing anywhere. You only have one spare. I already lost one. You probably don't wanna do that. So what you do is you wanna put it on the USB here, and you'll clamp it down, because strobes are for night flying. Remember, you got to be able to see within a couple statute miles. Other aircraft's got to see your drone, so that's part of your daylight waiver. So in this case, it's easy because I'm going to put the strobe on. Then we'll see the little record button. So you use DJI Pilot app for this, which is now on Apple as well as Google Play, so that's good. Before it was only on Google Play until the Dual Enterprise came out, and then you can actually get it on Apple. So here we go. I got Ray here as my spotter, because you're gonna want a spotter when you get your daylight waiver going. Right, so the strobe light, if you get a look at the screen here, the strobe light is going to be that little button right there on the top left corner, and you just hit it. It's a little light button, and there goes the strobe, just bright as all get out.
Take off.
Now check it out, it's got a landing light, so you can see it pretty well. It highlights, I don't know, about 5 feet up. A little bit higher, it'll shut off. But as it comes down, watch, the landing light will pop on. So it highlights your landing pad. So there you go. Then as you get higher, it shuts off. So we're about 106 feet, which is all the higher we're going. We're gonna look around, and you can still see the strobe pretty well. You can still see the aircraft. You're supposed to see the outline of your aircraft, even in the dark. So the lights don't count. So if you can see it, which I can because it's nice and clear out today, then you can still fly it with visual line of sight. So obviously the strobe light still jacks your vision up a little bit, but hey, you can still see it. So you can make the outline of your drone, you're good to fly. Hey everybody, back to daylight hours. As you can see, last night we got the strobe up. It looked pretty sweet. You can see it pretty clear in the videos. So we did that. We showed you a little bit about daytime waivers, so that way you can fly at night. Some of the key things to think about, and then the awesome Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, what it can do at night, what you can see, as well as the cool landing light. So there you have it. Hey, Jeremy Latchaw with Makatawa Unmanned Systems. Go ahead down here, hit subscribe. We're going to show you even more nighttime stuff coming soon. Okay. See you later.